Hi, when you want to express in German, where do you go? You have to build a question. Where do you go? Wohin gehst du? And then you have the answer. I go, ich gehe. I drive, ich fahre. Und I fly, ich fliege. Those are the typical sentences for telling people where to go in German. So for example, ich fahre, I drive, or I go in English, to. And then there is, for example, a country, Germany, nach Deutschland, nach England, nach Finnland. There's other countries like IEN as an ending, Spanien, Italien, Georgien, Rumänien und so weiter. Reich, like Frankreich or Österreich, France or Austria. And Stan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, and so on. When you have one of these countries, let's say the normal countries without any articles, then it's very easy. You can say, ich gehe oder ich fahre nach Deutschland, nach Italien, nach Österreich und nach Afghanistan. So es ist sehr einfach. That's super easy. It's just nach and then you place the country. If you have a country that has an article like die Türkei, it's getting a bit tricky. Ich fahre in die Türkei, female. Ich fahre in den Irak, male. Ich fahre oder fliege in die USA, plural. And sometimes there are some regions like das Elsass, das Tessin. Ich fahre ins Tessin. I go to Tessin. Once you have these countries, everything is fine. So you say, ich fahre nach Deutschland. Ich fahre in die Schweiz. You just have to remember, is there an article? And if so, which article? Male, female, neutral, or plural? And there's a certain list. I've already put it like here on my channel. Which country is male, which one is female, which one has no article. Then you go on. We also talk about people and places. Ich gehe zu dir. Ich gehe zu einem Freund. Ich gehe zu einer Freundin. I go to you, to a friend. That means when you have people, you use zu. If you have places, for example, a hospital, you can use two things. Either you say, ich gehe zum Krankenhaus or ins Krankenhaus. Zu is more like a direction or an institution. Ins or in plus article is more like you open the door and you go inside. So you can say either ich gehe zum Krankenhaus or ins Krankenhaus. Actually, it's a bit the same meaning, but there's a slight difference. Zu, which is more the direction, and in is really inside. Then there are other options or other possibilities, other places. For example, zur Arbeit, to work, in die Arbeit, or sometimes people say auf die Arbeit. And there are more possibilities like this. You can say, for example, to school, in die Schule, or zur Schule. So just don't get confused. Follow a little bit my exercises and you will find out which one fits for you or which one is in which situation the better one. Okay? So I hope you understood a little bit how to use these nice prepositions, and I hope you enjoy this video here. If you liked it, please like and share, and see you next time. Bye.